guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome back to day 2 of the fun mini collab weekend of aesthetic and cute nail art designs that I'm doing with 360 Nails. Cali and I have put together videos for you guys this weekend, and it was really fun to come up with like 3 manicures that went together and looked nice alongside of each other, and I had a lot of fun creating them as well. So today we're going for a bit of an abstract look. First off, I'm going to start by putting a white polish all over as my base color, and of course you want to start with a base coat, but my white polish of choice today is one by Nails Ink. That is the most amazing paddle brush that you guys were just looking at, and it is called Whiteout. And then after that, we're just going to start going on and putting abstract strokes in a line of 3 on my nails. So I'm using 3 different polishes from Eternal Cosmetics, which I swatched not too long ago on here. The green shade is called Pistachio. Then we have Unique and Flamingo, and then I'm using the same rose gold that I used yesterday, and I am putting 3 dots across the nail, kind of like a belt like line, and that is it for the design. I then put on a shiny top coat, and I feel like this just really came together. It's different. I've not really seen anything quite like this, and I really enjoyed it on my nails because each of them were very different, and it just has a really nice kind of layered abstract feel. And I feel like you could do this with so many different colors, but these are currently like the color palette that I'm loving for fall. So that is it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out Callie's video over on 360 Nails, and I will have that linked down below. So again, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!